Alright guys, so I'm doing working out. I'm going to show you guys my breakfast. Well, what I'm going to take for my protein. Yes, I think I've already shared with you guys what I take for my protein or gain protein. Okay, so that's what I'm going to take. Then I'm going to eat my breakfast. I'm going to have cereal today for breakfast. And yes, and my collagen peptides. And yep. So yes, and then I'm going to start getting ready for work. It's about 5:41 right now. Done finishing my workout and cleaned up the living room area, because it was a little dirty. I realized on my live video, I did not know it was so much dirt on the floor. Like, you can't really see it sometimes, so you need that light to kind of like illuminate the floor or whatever to see the dirt. But that's all cleaned up and everything, so I'm getting ready to eat my breakfast. So come on along with me. So my kitchen is a little dirty, guys. Gotta get rid of that and all this. So yep.
When you're down and feeling like you're lonely, someone else out there feels just like you. Go outside and be kind to a stranger. Watch what happens every time you do. Yeah. Make your own sunshine. Smile 'cause it's alright. Your heart's a red kite. Let it lift you up. Can you feel the love? Can you feel it?
please do subscribe to my channel and hit more notification bells to get more videos, or hit that notification bell to get more videos of me. So I'm about to make my breakfast, I'm gonna eat cereal, and that's it. Alright guys, peace. Hey guys, we have come to the end of the video. I will see you on my next one. Thank you so much for your ongoing support, and may God bless you. I'll go ahead and have my cereal, my honey bunches of oats. Till next time guys, bye bye.